Mahalo. It's such a pleasure to present the Hālau Nakua under the tutelage of Kumu, Twyla, Ululani, Mendez. And we are located in Waianae on Oahu. Has anybody, does anyone come from Waianae, from the Waianae coast? I see a couple. Yeah, how wonderful. How many of you have been to Waianae? Okay, good. How many of us are going to come back? That's wonderful. We have the best beaches on the whole island. The majority of our dancers, including myself, come from the Waianae coast. And we do have a handful and a half that come from East Honolulu. And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, it gives us great pleasure to present to you a special kind of show that I don't think we have ever done before. And this show concentrates on the Hula Kahiko, the ancient dances and chants of Hawaii. And we're going to take you, for this first segment, back many hundreds of years, when all music was done just with the voice, the oli. Yes, yes. And we'd like to bring our dancers out as they do what we call a pule pale, a chant that asks the goddess of the hula, whose name is Laka, to give protection onto the dancers. And so this is pule pale no kia kua Laka, that says in part, no hoana kia kua ikana hele hele. The gods, they dwell in the wildwood, and that's where we get all of our material to make leis for the hula, and also the material to make our hula implements. dance is for our fire goddess, Pele. Red is the color for our fire goddess on the island of Hawaii.